Hello guys, let's see what is stethoscope. Stethoscope is a medical device which is used to hear different sounds made by our body. So it has four different parts. It has a chest piece, it has a tubing, and then it has an ear tube and earpiece. So let's see the mechanism. So whenever something which is moving inside our body, let's say heart is pumping, so this will create a vibration. So this vibration causes the nearby molecule also to vibrate, and that will create a sound wave. So this sound wave will travel all the way through the hollow tubing of the stethoscope and then into the ears of the doctor, and thus we will make out the sound. For example, heart sounds, which is lub and dub. Thank you.